Knee replacement. First, we are going to see the anatomy of knee joint. The knee is the largest joint in the body. The knee is made up of the lower end of the thin thigh bone, femur, the upper end of the shin bone, tibia, and the kneecap patella. The ends of these three bones where they touch are covered with articular cartilage, a smooth substance that protects the bone and enables them to move easily. The menisci are located between the femur and tibia. These C-shaped wedges act as shock absorbers that cushion the joint. Large ligaments hold the femur and tibia together and provide stability. The long thigh muscles give the knee strength. All remaining surfaces of the knee are covered by a thin lining called synovial membrane. This membrane releases a fluid that lubricates the cartilage and reducing friction to nearly zero in a healthy knee. This is the diagram. Femur bone, center one is the patella, the side one is the articular cartilage, meniscus, anterior cruciate ligaments, tibia, and lateral collateral ligament. Three bones in three compartments: front view, side view, and back view. First one, femur, tibia. Front view mein the tibia patella is at the center, and the side view patella is at the side, that is a patellar groove. The femoral condylosis, that patella is in the back view. Knee stabilizers: medial, lateral, anterior, posterior, rotatory. This is the diagram fully labeled. Plantaris, this is the lateral head. Fibular collateral ligament, lateral meniscus, popliteus tendon, popliteal fibular ligament, gastrocnemius medial head, tibial collateral ligament, posterior meniscofemoral ligament, lateral meniscus, posterior cruciate ligament, semimembranous tendon, medial fibers cut away. Introduction. Knee replacement surgery was first performed in 1968. According to the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality, more than 6 lakhs knee replacements are performed each year in the United States. A knee replacement, also called knee orthoplasty, might be more accurately termed a knee resurfacing because only the surface of the bones are actually replaced. There are 4 basic steps to knee replacement procedure. Definition. Total knee replacement is also called joint orthoplasty. The surface in the joint where the bones met are resurfaced. There is very minimal to no risk that your body will reject these components. A surgical procedure in which damaged parts of the knee joint are replaced with artificial parts called prosthesis. During this procedure, an orthopedic surgeon replaces an arthritic or damaged joint with an artificial joint called prosthesis, inserting prosthesis same size as removed bone and cartilage. Common conditions that lead to total knee replacement. First one indication is कौन सी कंडीशन ऐसी हैं जिसमें देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू नीड टू गो फॉर अ नी रिप्लेसमेंट. प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस, rheumatoid arthritis, TKR, total knee replacement done with conservative management, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs with physio is failed to restore the mobility and relieve the pain the knee joint. Osteoarthritis, this is an age-related wear and tear type of arthritis. It usually occurs in people with 50 years of age and older but may occur in younger people too. The cartilage that cushions the bones of the knee softens and wears away. The bones then rub against one another, causing knee pain and stiffness. Rheumatoid arthritis. This is a disease in which the synovial membrane that surrounds the joint becomes inflamed and thickened. This chronic inflammation can damage the cartilage and eventually cause cartilage loss, pain, and stiffness. Post-traumatic arthritis. Fractures of the bones surrounding the knee or tears the knee ligament may damage the articular cartilage over time, causing knee pain and limiting knee function. Contraindication. Absolute. Present and recurrent joint infection, sepsis or systemic infection, neuropathic arthropathy, relative contraindications, severe osteoporosis, debilitated poor health, non-functional extensor mechanism, painless well-functioning arthrodesis, significant peripheral vascular disease. Knee arthritis, far more common than hip osteoarthritis in Asian population. Age 80% of above and 75 years. Sex equal in both the sexes up to 45 to 55 years. After 55 years more common in female. Risk factors of osteoarthritis: increasing age, obesity, female sex, trauma, infection, repetitive occupational trauma, radiological features. This is the radiological features which you are going to see through X-ray. Please like and share this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe the YouTube channel of RPIIT Academics. Thank you.